Understanding the Brotherhood of Man. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its expressions. Today, we're exploring a powerful and inspiring phrase, Brotherhood of Man. This concept is not just about words. It's about humanity, unity, and compassion. Stay with us as we unfold the layers of meaning behind this phrase and why it's so significant in today's world. Brotherhood of Man refers to the idea that all humans are related to one another in a fundamental way. It suggests that we should treat each other with respect, love, and kindness, as if we were all members of a large, global family. This phrase embodies the principles of equality, solidarity, and universal love. It encourages us to look beyond our differences in nationality, race, religion, or any other divisions, and to recognize the shared humanity in everyone. The concept of the Brotherhood of Man has roots that go deep into human history, appearing in various forms in religious texts, philosophical works, and political declarations. For example, it is a central theme in Christianity, which teaches love and compassion towards all people. Similarly, the Enlightenment period in Europe emphasized the idea of universal human rights and brotherhood as foundational to democratic societies. Throughout history, this phrase has been invoked to promote peace, end conflicts, and advocate for social justice. In today's globalized world, the Brotherhood of Man is more relevant than ever. It challenges us to overcome prejudice, inequality, and division. It calls for a collective effort towards understanding, tolerance, and mutual support. By embracing the Brotherhood of Man, we can work together to solve some of the most pressing issues facing humanity, such as poverty, discrimination, and environmental degradation. This concept is a beacon of hope for building a more inclusive, peaceful, and sustainable world. The Brotherhood of Man has been a theme in numerous works of literature, music, and film, serving as a reminder of our shared struggles and aspirations. For instance, the song, Imagine, by John Lennon envisions a world living in peace without the barriers that divide us. Similarly, literature often explores this theme by depicting characters and communities that embody the principles of empathy and solidarity, inspiring readers to reflect on their own attitudes and behaviors towards others. Thank you for joining us as we explored the profound meaning of the Brotherhood of Man. This phrase is much more than a collection of words. It's a call to action, a reminder of our shared humanity, and an invitation to build a world where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. We hope this video has inspired you to reflect on how you can contribute to fostering a sense of brotherhood in your own life and community. Remember, it's through our collective efforts that we can make a difference. See you in the next video.